Meet Will. Meet Beth. 3,000 miles away. And since they needed a witness, and were running low on options,
I like me better when I'm with you. I don't know what it is, but I got that feeling. Waking up in this bed next to you, swear the room, yeah, got no ceiling.
The things I do for love.
This occasion marks a celebration of love and commitment with which this man and this woman begin their life together. This is a beginning and a continuation of your growth as individuals. With mutual care, respect, responsibility, and knowledge comes the affirmation of life, happiness, growth, and freedom. With respect for individual boundaries comes the freedom to love unconditionally. Within the emotional safety of a loving relationship, the knowledge self-offered one another becomes the fertile soil for continued growth. With care and responsibility towards self and one another comes the potential for full and happy lives. This relationship stands for love, loyalty, honesty, and trust, but most of all for friendship. Before you knew love, you were friends, and it was from the seed of friendship that is your destiny.
Every time I dress, wherever we go, it's the complete opposite.
Yep. Yeah. Do not think that you can direct the course of love, for love, if it finds you worthy, shall direct you. Through marriage, you both make a commitment together to face disappointments, embrace your dreams, realize your hopes, and accept each other's failures. You will promise one another to aspire to these ideals throughout your lives together, through mutual understanding, openness, and sensitivity to each other.
Viewers are gonna have to tilt their head for this one.
Where Joey's standing, that could be him. We could be here, and then Joey could set up stuff. This is a viable option too. 1 year to the day, we said I love you for the first time. I cannot think of a better way than to celebrate than to stand before you and pledge my love so that I may tell you every day for the rest of our lives. There's not a day that goes by that I am not smitten by you. The experiences and moments that we've shared have led to such amazing memories. I look forward to the next phase of our wonderful journey and cannot wait to see what is in store for us. With that said, I will choose you, and I will always choose you over and over, without pause, without doubt. In a heartbeat, I will keep choosing you.
It's like sore soldiers, 3 sisters, bowling, punch buggy, look turkeys, we're almost to the top. I think she's a monk, devil woman, what's the matter, don't like the potatoes. So few words, yet so much meaning. We could be driving to get gas and make memories remember the rest of our lives. It's not about the biggest and best, it's about us. Through my ups and downs, my gains and losses, you've been there and supported me. When I fear I made a mistake or did something that angered you, you love and forgive. When I need strength, you are there. When I need words of encouragement, you provide it. When I'm sad, you wrap me in a hug. All these things, done without fail, every hour of every day. I can say for a very long time I felt alone in this world. I had scars in my soul I thought would never heal. The thought of someone loving me as you have and do was so foreign, it didn't even register as a possibility. Even though I was looking right at it, you always ask me when I go out into the mountains if I'm alone, and I answer yes. That's not true though, because I have you. I know I will never be alone again. I love you, my wife, and yes, I am probably changing.
May you always share with each other the gifts of love, be one in heart and in mind. May you always create a home together that puts in your hearts love, generosity, and kindness. May your days be good and long upon the earth, and so, by the power vested in me by the state of California, I now pronounce you man and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
I like me better when I'm with you.